ज्ञानमयी ज्योतिर्मयी मरियं तु दयामयी मरियं तु दयामयी मरियं तु दयामयी.
Hi, I am Rucha Trivedi. Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are good. But I think you all are frightened of this coronavirus. We all are frightened that if we get, then what is going to happen? Because of this, you are not going out, you are not allowed to play outside. So what will do? Would you like to give a call to God? Yes. Do you know numbers up to 10? No, LKG children, you learnt in nursery. You can say 1 to 10 and you can write 1 to 10. So we will say the numbers 1 to 10. We will dial a call to God and we will pray Him to come out of this situation of COVID-19. Yes? So are you ready? So take out your phone and dial the numbers. Okay? Ready? Loudly you dial. Loudly you say. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, I can't hear you. You speak loudly. Again, okay? Take out your hand mobile and dial the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Telephone to God. Telephone to God. Telephone to God every day. Hello, hello. God says I love you. God says I love you. God says I love you every day. Very good. One more time we will do. Yes? Again you take out your hand mobile and dial the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Telephone to God. Telephone to God. Telephone to God every day. Hello, hello. God says I love you. God says I love you. God says I love you every day. Very good. So God is with us. So nothing is going to happen to us. So, but you have to pray for the whole world because the whole world is suffering with this coronavirus. Yes. So LKG children, we have completed the numbers writing 1 to 10. So today I am going to teach you numbers 11 to 20. How to write numbers 11 to 20. So you open your 4-line notebook, take out your pen, pencil and write after me. Listen, look here on the board, concentrate. Just see that you are not making any mistake, no? Yes, very good children. So how to write 11, number 11. If we write 1, 1 means 2 ones together, it becomes number 11. Okay, so we start. 1, 1, 11. This is 1 and 1. You all know how to write number 1, but you have to write in one box together. This becomes number 11. 1, 1, 11. Then 1, 2, 12. If you write 1 and 2 together, it becomes number 12. this is 1, 1, 11 and this is 1 to 12. Okay, all are writing? Very good children. Now which number comes after 11 and 12? Yes, number 13. How to write number 13? First you write 1 and then 3. 1, 3, 13. Which number is this? 1, 3, 13. Then after 13 which number comes? Yes, 1, 4, 14. Which number comes after that? 14. 1, 4, 14. Very good. Then after that we will write number 15. How to write number 15? Look here. 1, 5, 15. Which number is this? 1, 5, 15. Okay, so just see here that you are writing in correct order. This is 1, 1, 11. Then 1, 2, 12. Then 1, 3, 13. Then after that 1, 4, 14. And then 1, 5, 15. Then after 15 which number comes? Yes, 1, 6, 16. Children, your page is too long. You can write 11 to 20 in one line. But I have no place, so I am writing here. But you can continue down after 15. Okay? So which number comes after 15? 1, 6, 16. Look here, I am writing. This is 1, 6, 16. Which number is this? 1, 6, 16. Then after that 1, 7, 17. Which number is this? 1, 7, 17. Again we will write. If we make mistake, then we have to rub it and write it again. So again we will write properly. This is 1, 7, 17. Which number is this? 1, 7, 17. Then after 17 which number comes? 1, 8, 18. Which number is this? 1, 8, 18. Very good. Then after 18 which number comes? 1, 9, 19. This is 1 and this is 9. 1, 9, 19. And now what will come after 19? Can you tell me? Yes, you all are very good children. This is 2, 0, 20. After 19 which number comes? 2, 0, 20. Again you check that you have written correctly in order. 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20, 20. So children, now you all know numbers up to 20, 1 to 20. So you please practice daily these numbers in your notebook again and again and stay home. Yes, thank you.